Hi, today I'm running Lenovo Tab E10 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see the media, alarm and notification volume panels, and to change the volumes you should just slide to the left or to the right side. There's dots on each of the volume panels with your finger by this way. Here we got the don't disturb mode. We could turn it on or turn it off to allow some calls, messages or notifications from here, and just to use the automatic rules, for example to use it on the weekends or on some events. And in advanced settings we could just change notification and alarm sounds, and the to switch also the settings to activate or turn off the screen lock, charge and touch and vibration sounds with the help of each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.